Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential. In this guide, we will unveil powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of LinkedIn together. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So this is the page if you have an account, and this is the page if you just open browser and dive into linkedin.com. So as you can see, we have welcome to professional community. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievements. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where we will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss your best step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. So we have just to click over sign in with your email, or you can choose the option of continue with Google. Here we have also, if you want to create an account, you click over join now and you get started. And here we have in the right top signing in if you want. So you'll find this page. As you can see, you can just write your email address and your password, then you'll find your account if you already have an account. Or you can just click over join now and you write your email address and some information, then you get started and you'll find this page. As you can see, so here we have several things that you have to know. Firstly, so here we have home, my network, jobs, messaging, notification. I will show you how you can use these options to success and be creative with LinkedIn.com. So we have the first one, which is home. Here we have here prepare for your job search, and here you will find just the posts for jobs that you want. And if you follow also, for example, you can just start following, and if you have also some follows, you can just see new posts or show more about this. So add your work experience and skills to show your strength to recruiters. You can just update profile, or you can here start a post, try with writing with EA, or you can choose here media, event, write article as well. So on the left, we'll find here groups, events, followed hashtags as well. It's about home. Then we have here my network. For my network, you'll find here two options. The first one, which is grow. Here we have if you want to manage and you get started. Then we have catch up here. You have job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, education as well. Then here we have if you want to manage your network, connections here, following and followers, groups, events, pages, newsletter, and hashtags. Then we have here jobs. We have suggested job searches. We have marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google, and analyst. You can just choose the one you want. As you can see. Then here we have if you want more job, click here to continue searching over 20 million job of LinkedIn. You can just click over search jobs and you get started. Then here we have preferences. Also, my jobs, interview prep, and if you want to post a job with EA or manage your job posts. About the preference, once you click over it, you will find here my interest. You can just add this open to work. And here we have job alerts and my qualification, resume and application data. Then we have my verifications. Here we have verification helps enhance your profile's credibility and trust in a job search. Then here we have also my job. You can just click over it and you search here for jobs, find new opportunities and manage your job search progress here. So you can just here learn what hiring managers look for and answers to top interview questions. Do you have any question for me? Tell me about the time you disagreed with someone, tell me about yourself, and this is it. So it's very helpful to use LinkedIn for kind of the jobs. And then we have here interview prep. In this one, you will find here perform your best in your next interview. Here we have see the most common interview questions, learn how to approach answers from experts and hiring managers. Here we have your examples of strong answers with LinkedIn Premium, practice your answers and get feedback as well. Then here we have also talk about yourself, and we have here what is your greatest. You can just see these questions and you're preparing for it. Then you have here if you want to post a job with EA, so this is the important one. So you have just to click over it and you will find other page, which is this one. So find your next quit hire. So here we have 80% of jobs get a qualified applicant in one day. So yeah, just do job title right now and you click overwrite with EA, or you can just click overwrite on my own. So let's click on overwrite with EA and you will find this page as you can see. So here we have review job description. You have just to link this information such as job title, company, workplace type, job location, and job type as well. So you can just click over write with EA and you'll write with EA, sorry, and you'll find this page as you can see. So here we have the description that that's writing by EA. Then we have here skills that you have to do, that you have to add it, sorry, skills and keywords max 10 to make your job more visible to the right candidates. So here we have business acumen, project planning, project management, teamwork, project teams, negotiation, team management, English, budgeting. Here we have business acumen, project implementation. So you can just choose the one you want, or you can just add skills here. Then we have here how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs? You can just select if others, online, radio, TV, podcast as well. So let's come back. So this is about the job. So then we have here also the option of messaging. We have a read, drafts, my connections in email, and we have here notifications. Then we have here for business. For business, we will find here if you want to explore more business, you can just choose here hire on LinkedIn, find, attract, and recruit talent, sell with LinkedIn, unlock sales opportunities, post a job for free, get qualified applicant quickly. Then we have advertise on LinkedIn, acquire customers, and grow your business. Then you have get started with premium, expand and leverage your network. You have learn with LinkedIn courses to develop your employees. Then you have admin center also. When you want to create a company page, you click over here and you choose the one you want to visit, company, showcase page, or educational institution. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.